So I was doing our usual morning scroll through AIagentstore.ai, just checking the latest tools on the site, and I stopped on one called Manifest.
Oh, right, in the agent observability section.
Exactly. And frankly, it addresses that one specific anxiety literally every engineer has right now.
You mean the fear of runaway context?
That is the one.
Yeah.
That sinking feeling that your autonomous agent is stuck in a loop somewhere, just racking up a massive bill while you are asleep.
It's a real nightmare.
Yeah, and Manifest positions itself as the cure for that financial insomnia, specifically for OpenClaw agents.
Well, it's a necessary evolution. We spend so much time asking what these agents can do that we sort of forgot to ask, how do we actually control the cost of doing it?
Right.
Because runaway context isn't just a bug. I mean, it's a bankruptcy risk. If an agent hallucinates an error and just keeps retrying a paid API call over and over, that is real money burning.
Exactly. And the problem with most billing dashboards is the lag. You usually find out you burn that cash a day later.
Which is way too late.
Way too late. Manifest is designed to be real-time. It tracks tokens and actions and spend as they actually happen.
That visibility is critical. But usually, to get that kind of granular insight, breaking it down by message and action, you end up paying a privacy tax.
Pinning data to a third party.
Right, exactly. You have to send your raw data out to get it analyzed.
And looking at the AIagentstore.ai page, that's where Manifest gets really clever. They focus entirely on telemetry metadata.
So it's basically the envelope versus the letter.
That's a great way to put it. Manifest looks at the outside of the envelope. It looks at where it's going, how heavy it is, how much the stamp cost, but it never opens the letter to read the actual message.
Which is a massive distinction for anyone in, say, healthcare or finance.
Oh, absolutely.
It knows that you sent a request, but not what you asked. Plus, it supports self-hosted deployment. You can run the monitor on your own server.
Keeping all that data safely inside your own walls, so you get the safety without the spy. And beyond just watching the meter run, it actually lets you stop the bleeding. It has an alert system built right in.
Yeah, you can set cost thresholds. So if an agent hits a critical percentage of your daily budget, or if there's a sudden anomalous spike in token usage, it pings the DevOps team immediately.
It's definitely built for the infrastructure crowd, platform engineers and DevOps. I notice it's open source and completely free, which makes adoption easy, but it's also rated at a very low autonomy level.
And in this case, low autonomy is a feature, not a bug.
How so?
Well, you don't want your security guard getting creative. You want a reliable, dumb control layer that just watches the agents that actually are autonomous.
Makes total sense. It really feels like we are moving from the experimental phase to the reliable phase. It's not just about being smart anymore, it's about being sustainable.
Precisely. As we scale, observability becomes just as important as capability.
So if you want to put some guardrails on your OpenClaw agents, you can check out Manifest directly on AIagentstore.ai.
And if you found this conversation useful, please take a second to rate the podcast. It really helps us out.
Thanks for listening.